Understanding the phrase, full of glee, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very expressive phrase in English, full of glee. This phrase is not just about learning new words, but about understanding the emotions and contexts in which it is used. So, let's dive in and find out what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Full of glee is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone is described as being full of glee, it means they are extremely happy, joyful, or delighted. The word glee itself refers to a great delight or pleasure, often more than just a simple happiness. It's the kind of happiness that is infectious and visible, something that can light up a room. The word glee has been in the English language for a long time, dating back to Old English. It originally meant music or entertainment, but over time, its meaning shifted to refer to a state of high spirits or joy. Today, full of glee is used in various contexts, whether it be in literature, everyday conversation, or in media, to convey a sense of unbridled joy or excitement. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. After hearing the good news, she was full of glee. 2. The children's faces were full of glee as they opened their presents. 3. He entered the room full of glee, ready to share his success with his friends. Notice how in each of these sentences, the phrase emphasizes a strong, positive emotion related to happiness. You can use this phrase in both formal and informal settings. It's great for storytelling, describing characters in a book, or in everyday conversations to express profound happiness. Just remember, it's a phrase best used for situations that evoke strong, visible happiness. And there you have it. Now you know all about the phrase, full of glee. Remember, learning a new language is not just about words but also about the feelings and cultures behind them. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English phrases with ease and confidence. See you in our next video.